blow brush. Let's see how it works. It's got 3 temperatures and we'll be using the high heat. My hair is still 50% wet and I'm just brushing them out properly before I get started. Take neat and flat sections of your hair and comb through them gradually. Start from the base of your head and then go to the crown area. Make sure you go slow, and for that perfect in curl, keep rotating towards the end of your hair. To get proper in curls, I'm rolling the brush inwards. Make sure you glide your brush and move in the forward direction so that all your hair strands get proper heat. As I do the back section of my hair, I realize that this hot brush is extremely lightweight and I think I can make perfect in curls, out curls and my everyday styling with this blow brush. And finally, for the crown, keep brushing your hair towards the front so that you get maximum volume at the roots. Like, share and subscribe for some amazing goodies coming your way. Also, let me know in the comments below what else you would like to know about hairstyling, curling and straightening.